Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be looking at how to prepare vegetable egg sauce. The egg that I'll be frying today, I'll be adding vegetable to it, and these are the ingredients I need for this meal. I need my egg and my tomatoes. These are the already sliced tomatoes. There's the vegetable, and this is pumpkin leaf, already washed and sliced. These are my spices. There's the salt, there's the thyme, there's the curry, and there's the nut cube. And this is the already sliced onions, and this is my groundnut oil, and this is a tube of yam. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using in preparing this meal this morning. I'm adding a little bit of vegetable to the egg that I'll be frying because I want the meal to be very rich, very rich. You know, when we eat food, sometimes we don't just eat for satisfaction. We also ensure that we have all the nutrients our body needs. So just keep on watching as we take a look on how to prepare this meal. My frying pan is already on the fire, and while the frying pan is on, I will start peeling my yam, getting it ready to be cooked. I'll allow the pan to heat a bit, then I'll add my oil. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes and allow the oil to heat also. Allow the oil to heat a bit, then I can break my eggs now. This is the already breaked egg. So now the oil is very hot. I'll add my onions. And stir, allow the onions to fry. Reduce the heat if it's too much. You must allow your onions to fry very well because it gives the food a kind of taste when it's very fried. So 1 to 2 minutes, allow it to fry. Allow it to fry for 1 minute. Then add the tomatoes. And stir. Allow the tomatoes to fry very well. Allow it to fry for like 2 minutes. Then allow the tomatoes to fry. While the tomatoes is frying, I'm stirring my egg. Stir very well. Yeah, okay, at this point you can start adding your seasoning. Okay, I'm adding my seasoning right now. Adding my seasoning. This is the nut cube. Adding my curry, adding my thyme. Also adding my salt. As you can see, the tomatoes is very fried. Very fried. You allow it to be very fried. So I'm going to be adding my at this time I'm going to be adding my vegetable. I like to fry for just few minutes, just maybe like 30 seconds after adding. I like to fry for a few minutes. Just allow it to fry for 30 seconds so that it will not kill the nutrients in the vegetable. At this point, I'm going to add my egg. Add my egg. Yeah, and just allow it to cook first. Allow it to cook for. You allow it to cook for 5 seconds, then you can stir. After adding the egg, you allow it to cook for 5 seconds. Then you can serve. You see how it's coming out? Then right now, this meal is ready. I'm turning off the heat. Yes, it's ready. And my boiled yam is ready. So breakfast is ready to be served. Wow, breakfast is served. Wow. Looking so yummy. Yeah, this is vegetable egg sauce. So please come and take a ride with me. Wow, this thing is so tasty. The vegetable is not too fried, just perfect. This is so nice. So delicious. Thank you so much. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you very much. Till I see you some other time. Keep eating healthy. Bye.